What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna make a really quick video. This is for their older Kubotas that have a voltage regulator mounted on the backside of the dash with a generator style alternator. Now, what I was having was my charge light when the tractor was running. It's just ignition on. When it was running, these should both be off, right? Signaling there's no problems. So what I was having was this charge light would start glowing at full throttle. It would actually start glowing. So just a very low glow. So that was an indication something was wrong. People talk about it on the forums. I hook up my multimeter, realize I'm at 16 to 17 volts. So I'm gonna literally destroy this battery. Luckily, I haven't put this thing under a lot of work or long wide open throttle runs, so it didn't hurt this battery. So at first I thought the regulator was bad. I sourced a new one. I guess it was good to replace regardless, but the old one looked brand new inside. Started poking around, pulled the dash up, saw I had one wire that wasn't connected, and I thought it was for a blinker assembly, which I no longer have. Found this great little diagram. Started poking around, double checking my regulator wiring, and I realized that B for battery, which goes right here and obviously connects just to your hot lead, not on a key switch. This is literally just a hot wire. This wire was somehow getting a little bit of current. It was backfeeding, I guess, through the regulator. And when I pulled my dash up, I realized that this, on my tractor, orangey yellow wire was just, I just put heat shrink over the tip of it so it wouldn't ground out. So I reconnected it to the hot side of my ignition, so it's always hot. And now when the tractor runs, I can run wide open throttle, and I have no glowing charge light, and I'm making 13.5 to 14.4 volts on the voltmeter. So hope this helps. It was an easy fix. It was literally just a wire, but these older tractors are not the easiest to work on. So hope this helps, and thanks for watching.